Good evening, traders. Welcome to another episode of Coffee with Keith. It's been a while, but we're back with a coffee video, and I'm going to go over Litecoin, LTC USD as well. These are the two instruments I've been spending the majority of my time on lately. We're going to start with coffee here on the daily time frame. If we zoom out a bit, just a quick recap. A while back, we were forming a potential double top here before breaking out of that. Broke out. Seemed to be a false breakout here before moving back downwards. We were also trading inside of a rising wedge pattern, with this being wedge resistance and wedge support starting down here, connecting to this level right here and continuing upwards. After this breakout over this rising trend line resistance area, we do have a minor rising trend line support right here. We've made it quite a ways as far as this 250 area. The high that we've made it to was about 336, almost 337. During the time from this breakout until here and back to where we are now, we had a 2011 high around 308.90, which would be somewhere around here, right there. Around this level, you see we initially tested it and rejected it there before continuing to move up. And immediately up above, we had the 1997 high of 318, which was right there. Broke right up above it, and then we gapped up on the next day, and it seemed like we were going to reach the 1977 all-time high of 339.90. But we gapped up, price moved up, and just before we got to that all-time high, crashed back down. The next day we gapped down and continued down. Today we got another gap down, and we have a small bullish candle here. So I actually did take a small position today. I was basing it off of this area here, right there, this little small horizontal range. I figured if we break up above here and close up above it, we may get some momentum back up to this falling gap, but that didn't happen. We just reversed and pushed back down a bit, and then we got these small indecisive candles here. So there's clearly not a lot of players in the market. There's no reason to be with the Brazil droughts, and I mean prices are just super high. There was something I had read about the spreads or the margins or something. I'm not big on fundamentals, so don't quote me on that. I'm a technical trader. So I haven't been trading coffee much lately, the past couple of weeks, because there haven't been any real setups that were worth taking. But what I have been doing is watching and playing Litecoin. So we have the Litecoin here on the daily time frame. We were trading inside of this falling channel here. We broke out of this channel. The measured move of this channel would give us a potential target of about 167. Right now we're trading at around 133. And if we look at my actual trading chart, if I can get back over here, let me get that quick. Okay, here we go right here on the daily time frame. Now, what I do for this particular crypto pair is I use a 34 EMA wave. I'm sure many of you, if you trade Forex, you know this from Raghi Horner. She uses this. And I have the 200 EMA. And what I've been doing, because we've been trading inside of that channel, we were trading up towards the channel resistance, and it was around down here where I had entered first. I got in long here. I got out here. Got in long again around here. Got out. Where did I get out? No, right around here. Because it was potentially forming a double top here. So I got out right at the top of this candle. And later on during the day, we did get some selling pressure back down into the wave before shooting back up again. Now I am long again as we were trading inside of this wave. Stop here below this tail on this pin bar. First target is a measured move from this low to this high, which will bring us to 145. And as I mentioned before, we have 167, the measured move target for the falling channel on the daily time frame. So I've just been trying to take bits and pieces out of the market here on this hourly time frame on Litecoin. It's been going pretty well. I think I have maybe one, possibly two small losses, but the gains from these other three trade, well, this trade, the other three trades here were pretty decent. So we seem to be on our way back up. We have a minor resistance area here, a potential resistance area here. If we break up above there, then like I said before, I'm looking for this measured move. And then we'll see where we go from there. So, but that's all I have for now. I hope you guys have had a good trading week so far. Hump day. It's all downhill from here. Hopefully not bad. I'll see you guys on the next video. Happy trading.